quick. For Chachi. I gotta make a flag for Chachi. Oh, look, here's a marker right here. Just pretend this is, you know, on a flag. Like this is the flag. B-S. 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 I do not put ketchup on my hot dog. That's why I said mustard and relish on my hot dog. Mustard and relish. And only as of late, I've been putting spicy ketchup on my hot sausage. Spicy ketchup on my hot sausage. Dang it. Anything you can do, I can do better. Yep. Alright. It is hot. I'll only eat a hot dog plain. I guess if it's hot. Sure thing, Chachi. Sure thing. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Can we collectively write in the comments who hurt you? Chachi. Cold syrup? Why would you want to put cold syrup on like your pancakes or on your waffles? There's no reason to want to put cold syrup on your pancakes or on your waffles. Like, please, no, I won't say please justify it for me, but why would you want, like actively, I'm going to put cold syrup on my waffles? Number 8 down. Number 9. Itches. Room temperature or cold works for me, and I need my hot sauce. Just saying, I'm from the islands. Steven, I won't say you get a pass, because, you know. No. The majority of the condiments need to be room temperature. I feel like this needs to be a debate. Like a poll. Can I create a poll on the fly?